So the weekly rent for a holiday apartment is £530, which is the same as 715.5 euros. Let's write that down. So £530 is equivalent to 17.5 euros. The weekly rent for holiday cottage is £750. Using the same rate of currency, work out the weekly rent for the cottage in euros. So just find the value of £750 in euros. Well, first things first, what I would always do before I get the 750, I would work out what every pound is worth. To do that, we just divide it by 530. So literally, you need to divide both sides by 530 to find the euro equivalent. And then to work out what £750 is, you just multiply this value by 750. So doing that fraction and then timesing it by 750, you should get 1,000. Oh, that's a lot. Too bad this is not actually true. 1,012.5 euros. In real life, the actual rate is nowhere near that. It's like 1 to 1 at this stage.